Hey, Christina, how you doing?
Good. Can you tell me what the purpose of title insurance is?
Yeah, absolutely. That's a really good question, actually. So the purpose of title insurance is it's going to be a title policy. It's an insurance policy for a new homeowner that's going to protect that homeowner from any defects in title. And so what we mean by that is anytime we're doing a closing transaction, the seller of the property is doing two things. They are conveying the property over to the new homeowner, and then they are also ensuring that once the property is transferred over to the new homeowner, that new homeowner is going to take the possession of the property, the legal ownership of the property, without any defects associated with it. So how do we do that? We do that by doing two things. Number one, the actual ownership of the property is transferred over when we record deed in the public record. And what the deed does is it lets us know that the sellers conveyed the property over to the buyer, and that the buyer is now the new homeowner of the property. That's going to reflect in public records. After the closing, what we do at our company and in title agencies in general is we issue a policy. And what the policy says is we've done our due diligence, we've researched the history of the property, and we are ensuring this property has no legal defects of ownership. Meaning, if anyone comes knocking on the door and says that they have a claim to the ownership of the property for any reason, that policy should kick in, and the new homeowner shouldn't have to then expend their own resources to defend their legal ownership of the property. The policy would kick in, and the new homeowner would be protected under that policy.
Wow, okay, that makes sense. Thank you for that.
Not a problem.